Assalamu Alikum everyone. I hope you all good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Today I'm going to share the recipe masaledar fried fish. So for this recipe, I need the ingredients of 1 tablespoon of the cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of the coriander seed. So I make them paste. मैंने इसको कूट के स्पाइसी मसाला बना दिया. So now I keep in the bowl 2 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of the garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of the coriander spices and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. This is a very important ingredient for the make masaledar fried fish. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, you have to subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends for the support. Thank you. So I put the cut over the fish up and down. So now I'm going to apply the spices over the fish. After applied the fish, then I keep in the fridge for the 20 minutes for the all spices absorb into the fish. Before I fried fish, preheated oil. I keep the flame medium. One side it is already, then I flip it. Within 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame, the masaledar fried fish is ready to serve. थैंक यू सो मच. आपके प्यार की, आपके दुआओं की, आपकी सपोर्ट की हमें ज़रूरत है. थैंक यू सो मच. इफ़ यू लाइक माई रेसिपी, so you have to share and press the notification button, bell icon button for the new video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.